humanity has just stolen fire from the gods. For the first time in history, a nuclear fusion reactor produced more energy than it consumed. The dream of clean, unlimited energy is no longer science fiction, it's a scientific breakthrough. In a laboratory that looks more like a spaceship than a research facility, scientists have achieved what Einstein thought was impossible. They've tamed the power of the sun. Fusion is the process that lights up every star in the universe. It's when hydrogen atoms smash together at incredible speeds to form helium, releasing energy in the process. The same process that has powered our sun for 4.6 billion years. Imagine if we could bottle that power. No greenhouse gases. No radioactive waste. No risk of meltdown. Just pure, limitless energy from the most abundant element in the universe. For decades, scientists have tried to replicate this process on Earth. The challenge? You need to heat hydrogen to 150 million degrees Celsius, 10 times hotter than the core of the sun. At that temperature, matter becomes plasma, a swirling, chaotic soup of charged particles that wants to destroy any container it touches. Containing this plasma requires magnetic fields stronger than any natural force on Earth or lasers that can deliver the power of a nuclear bomb in a fraction of a second. Until now, the energy required to create these conditions always exceeded what we got back. But that all changed in December 2022. At the National Ignition Facility in California, a team of scientists fired 192 lasers at a tiny capsule smaller than a peppercorn. For 100 trillionths of a second, they created a star on Earth. When the lasers hit the hydrogen fuel, they generated X-rays that compressed the fuel to densities 100 times that of lead. The temperature reached 100 million degrees. And for a fleeting moment, the fusion reaction released 3.15 megajoules of energy, enough to power a house for hours. The lasers delivered 2.05 megajoules. For the first time in human history, fusion produced a net energy gain of 50%. It's a small number, but it's the most important number in energy history. The break-even barrier has been shattered. This isn't just a scientific curiosity. It's the dawn of a new era. The race to commercial fusion is now on. Companies like Commonwealth Fusion Systems, Helion, and Tokamak Energy are pouring billions into building the first fusion power plants. They're not talking about decades anymore, they're talking about years. The first commercial fusion reactor could be online by 2035. The implications are staggering. A world powered by fusion would have no energy poverty. No more drilling for oil in pristine wilderness. No more pipelines crossing continents. No more energy-driven wars. The geopolitics of energy would be rewritten. Countries with abundant sunshine and seawater would become the new energy superpowers. Climate change would be solved. The carbon economy would become a relic of the past. This isn't just about cleaner energy. It's about a fundamental transformation of human civilization. We're standing at the precipice of a new age. An age where energy is as abundant as air and water. An age where humanity's energy needs are limited only by our imagination. The future is no longer something we dream about. It's something we're building. Right now. Today. This breakthrough changes everything. The stars are no longer out of reach. We're bringing them down to Earth. Stay powered with MCKAI.